It might melt your flesh off. Yeah. How many
more? I mean, I didn't get all that. Oh, that's crap.
Yeah. Are you serious? Is it freaking you out?
Look at the pizza stars. Oh, you can't see it.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll catch this on record.
Well, when they come back, getting back to the fight.
Woo! That's pretty.
Cool. Woo!
Woo!
Talk about some American actors.
It'll probably be dark here for the next, I don't know, 2 minutes. So I'm just going to talk.
How many s'mores do you have?
This is boring.
Are they both for you?
Let's look at the light.
Oh, you don't like the whoa. You don't like,
Yeah. Oh! Here comes a couple sparks. And it is off. There it goes. Whoa! That was cool. Okay, now every time I get bored, I'm going to be looking at a light. See that little light right there? Ah. See this light? I'll go to that one. Or that one. Oh, it doesn't show up. But I'll go to this one when I'm bored. And that tells you we're almost going to shoot it. Right?
Yeah, no, 24. Jared did the 96 one. Oh, they did? Yeah, it's just balls that shoot out. You guys see that? Yeah. Oh, that's cool, Andy, you did it! Oh, pick it up and put it on the fire, honey. Then I tell your mom that you dropped it so you can get another one. No, Greg is
See if we can hit that dipper up there. Where'd that dipper go? Let's dip it.
No, she got it. It's on now. She got it.
Come on!
Let's go for the dipper. Hey, dipper.
Did you get burned?
There's a light over there. Those are the neighbors. There should be a couple sparks coming in a couple seconds. I'd be scared crapless if I was up there with the fireworks. I'd be like, wow. There's neighbors again who've got their front porch light on. Can't see the rest of it because it's in the dark, so like camouflage. There's some creepy stuff up there, like stars you can't even see on this video thing. Let's look at the light. It interests me. Here come a couple sparks. Ooh. Wow. Today is July 5th, and tomorrow I've got camp. Let's look at the light. Keep looking at the light. Yep. Yeah. Ooh, here comes a couple of lights. Here comes, here comes, here comes. Let's look at the light again. Wow. There should be like 24 of these. Half of this stuff that I thought I recorded was like supposed to be on this thing. So that was a bummer. Because I got like 15 more to go. And what sucks is you have to light it off separately. Yeah. Here come a couple sparks. Here it comes. Woo! Wow. Look at those sparks. Pretty. The ones at Waukee were awesome. But they probably were like a little bit bigger than this. They did a finale that was awesome. It's just amazing. There's a fire over there.
I didn't know they were having any.
There's Angie by the light. Oh, they're doing more! Right there. And here come a couple sparks. Whoa!
You got that?
Yeah, I did. I got all of it. Yeah.
Woo! That's some real American ammunition. That's real American ammunition from made in China.
Are you guys done?
No.
There's my dad over there carrying the see that little light right there? Yeah. That's a little lantern my dad's carrying. He's coming back. I don't know if he's going to do it anymore. Daddy, say hi.
Hell yeah.
Dad, say hi instead of the H, yeah.
Hey, oh, dropped something.
Let me see the biggest
Did you keep the beer cold?
gay.
You're gay? That's pretty cool. Hell yeah.
Here comes a fire.
Artillery shell.
Ooh, nice and toasty. It's going to burn. Yum.
Here, I want to see what you got.
We roasted a couple marshmallows.